Let's take a look at how you would add commenting to this website using a third-party SDK. In this example, we will use one of the more well-known solutions on the market. Unfortunately, you can't just get the job done by adding their components, because you'll need some senior engineers to go in and add all these extra lines of code for handling the overlay thread, for handling the dragging, for handling composer submission. Basically, you'll need to write your own code to handle most of the behavior associated with making their components work. And even after you've written all that behavioral code required for basic functionality, you run into performance and UX issues, like how comments go off screen, how they let you leave comments on other comments that then randomly disappear into the void, how you can't just simply reposition a comment pin if you place it incorrectly, and just so many other instances of overlooked behavior that you would need to build and test for yourself, because their SDK only provides a database and dump components, leaving all the hard work for your team to do themselves. But with Velt, it's a completely different story. With Velt, you can create amazing collaborative commenting experiences in less than 10 lines of code, in which all you're doing is importing, authenticating, and then placing our components in your UI. No need for your team to write 1,000 lines of code, because our components handle all the behavior associated with a great commenting experience straight out of the box, all while giving you the option to customize the layout and behavior of components if you want to. Velt is so easy to use that even an intern could integrate it. And on top of that, Velt includes powerful features like Loom-style recordings, Slack-like video huddles, powerful notifications, and so much more. In similar, easy-to-integrate components, all included in the Velt SDK. So when you're considering which SDK to use for collaborative experiences, remember, the other guys just provide building blocks, but Velt enables amazing collaborative experiences.